Hello students, today we are going to identify things from the given picture or clues. What do you understand by identify? Identify means to recognize someone or something. So let's get started. You may get questions where one picture will be given and you have to answer the question which is based on the picture. Look at the picture and choose the correct answer. It is a picture of which season? It is a picture of winter season. Look at this question. Identify the object. Option A, broom. Option B, washing machine. Option C, vacuum cleaner. The answer is vacuum cleaner. It is a vacuum cleaner picture. In description-based question, description will be given and based on that, you have to identify object or thing. I help people exercise and play sports. I teach them how to be the best in games. I find the best player for my team. Who am I? Here, can you guess what I can be? Yes, you guessed it right. I am a coach. Now come to the next question. I answer the phone calls for my manager. I help visitors when they come to the office. Who am I? This time, can you guess what I can be? Yes, the answer is receptionist. Answer the question what I am on the basis of the given clues. I consist of several pages bound together. The pages are serially numbered. Tell me what I am. Can you guess? The correct answer is a book. Choose the right word to fit the description. A doctor who treats kids is called option A surgeon, a pediatrician, a dentist, an ophthalmologist. The answer is pediatrician. A pediatrician is a doctor who has a specialized training in medical care for children. The purpose of this type of question is to check how rich your vocabulary is. Thank you.